Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix Steam App Configuration Unavailable error. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go over here to the Steam profile, and if you see that kind of a problem, you just need to go over here to the click here and then just enter into the task manager. Also come over here, then into the process, you just need to search your Steam and then just click this one, like select that and just click end task, and it will take a couple of minutes and the task will be ended in here. So this way you can easily end the task, and now you just need to be restarted again. There's a couple of other methods we have. Let's say you just need to go to the file manager and then just come over here and then go to that place, program local disk C, and then click on program files and then find it out your Steam. Just need to enter here, then here you will find out couple of options. From that one you just need to remove the cache. Like here you can see there is the options like call bin. You can go over here, then delete the cache which is unnecessary, then just restart your Steam. You just need to click over here start menu and then search for Steam and then enter this one, and then it will take a couple of minutes to open. And once it open, then you just need to go over here and then you just need to change your download regions. Like go to the setting, and once you come over here go to the download, and from here you just need to clear the cache, and then you just need to change your download regions. And once it's done, you are complete. Now the error will be gone. If you think this video was helpful and the method worked for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.